How are you, my dear students of class 8? I hope you are well in your home. I am also fine. Today I am going to take an English class of you. Let's go. We discuss our class. Today I am going to do an English class, that is Boyertschens. So our today's class is Boyertschens. It is known to you that there are two kinds of voice. One is active voice and the other is passive voice. Now we shall discuss how to form an active voice. If it is an assertive sentence, the structure will be extension may have or not, plus subject must have, plus helping verb may have or not, plus main verb must have, plus object also must have, extension or complement may have or not. That is to say, sometimes extension is used in the sentence before the subject. So it may have or not. Subject must have. That means subject must come. Helping verb may have or not. That means helping verb sometimes comes in the sentence and sometimes it does not come. It is known to you in present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense. The sentence does not have any helping verb. Main verb must have, that means main verb must come. Object also must come. Extension may have or not. Complement also may have or not. For example, one day I killed a bird. In this sentence, one day extension I, subject, killed, main verb, a bird, object. Example number 2, I, subject, see, main verb, a bird, object, flying in the sky, extension. Now we shall discuss how to change active voice into passive. If extension has before the subject of active voice, it is used at the same place of passive voice. That is to say, if any extension has before the subject, you must have it used. It is used before the subject of passive voice. Then the object of active voice is used as the subject of passive voice. That is to say, you have to make the object as the subject of passive voice. Proper helping verb is used according to the subject of passive voice and tense. That means you have to use a helping verb according to the tense and the subject. Past participle form is used of the main verb. It is known to you that in passive voice the past participle form of main verb is used. Extension complement is usually used after the past participle form of the main verb if it has in the sentence. If any extension or complement after the object of the sentence, it is usually used after the past participle form of the main verb. Then preposition by is usually used. It is known to you. Most of the time by is used as preposition of passive voice. There are some other preposition is also used. The subject of active voice is used as the object of passive voice. It is known to you that you have to make the subject of active voice as the object of passive voice. For example, one day I killed a bird. Here one day is used as an extension and it is also used at the same place of passive voice. About is used as the subject of passive voice. Was is used as helping verb because the sentence is in past indefinite tense. Killed is used as the past participle form of kill. By is used as preposition. Me is used as object. I see a bird flying in the sky. A bird is seen flying in the sky. Here a bird is used as subject of the passive voice. Is used as helping verb because the sentence is in present indefinite tense. Seen is used as the past participle form because it is used as the main verb of the sentence. Flying in the sky is used as an extension by preposition me object. Now we shall discuss the common rules of tenses of active voice to passive voice. If the sentence is in present indefinite tense, the object of active voice is used as the subject of passive voice. Plus am is are is used according to the subject of passive voice plus other rules are the same. That means you have to make the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice and am or is or are is used. That means you have to use am, is or are according to the subject of passive voice. And the other rules are the same, so you have to follow the other rules of active voice to passive voice. For example, I do the work is done by me. Here I is used as subject, do helping verb, do main verb, the work object. So in the passive voice the work is used as subject, is helping verb, done main verb, by preposition me object. He sings a song is sung by him. A song is used as the subject of the passive voice, is used as helping verb, sung main verb, sung past participle of sings by preposition him object. If the sentence is in present continuous tense, the object of active voice is used as the subject of passive voice. That means you have to make the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. Then you have to use am being, is being or are being according to the subject of passive voice. The other rules are the same. The other rules will be same of active voice to passive voice, which were discussed in the past place of our class. For example, he is doing the sum. This sum is being done by him. Here the sum is used as the subject of passive voice, is being helping verb according to the subject of passive voice. Done, past participle form of main verb by preposition him, object. I am singing a song. Here a song is being sung by me. Here a song is used as subject of passive voice, is helping verb sung, past participle of singing by preposition me, object. If the sentence is in present perfect tense, the object of active voice is used as the subject of passive voice. That is to say, you have to make the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. Have been or has been is used according to the subject of passive voice. That is to say, you have to use have been or has been according to the subject of passive voice, plus the other rules are the same. That means the other rules will be followed by you at the first rules of active voice to passive voice. For example, I have done the work, passive, the work has been done by me. Here I, subject, have, helping verb, done, main verb, the work object. So in the passive voice the work is used as the subject of passive voice, has been is used according to the subject and tense of passive voice, done, past participle of do. Here Rohim is used as subject, has helping verb, sung, main verb, a song, object. Passive, a song is used as subject, has been helping verb according to the subject, sung, past participle form by preposition Rohim, object. My dear students, today is no more. Some homework has been given for you. You will do them in your house, and when your school will open, you will show them to your English teacher. Thank you all. Stay home. Stay safe.